The best way to manage your time and remain productive is to use a daily planner. If you currently use a daily planner, I encourage you to continue. If you do not currently use a daily planner, I encourage you to begin using one. As a college student, there is a lot that you need to do, and even more that you want to do. A daily planner can help you to manage everything you need and want to do. A daily planner can be pen and paper, online, on your computer, on your phone, or even in a spiral notebook. In order to be effective, however, any daily planner should include 4 components. First, a daily task list where you can write the tasks that you want to accomplish each day. Second, an appointment schedule where you can write time-sensitive tasks and events each day. Third, a blank page or a blank space for each calendar day where you can write notes, ideas, and/or reminders. And fourth, a month at a glance where you can see how tasks and events on different days relate to one another.